in the last game Bangladesh featured in.
But some of the Pakistani batters have. There you go. Flected up in the air. Taken! That is the one. He redeems himself. He is really happy.
Saim Ayub has been dismissed for just 6.
It's Mohammad Haris. Movement early, picks it up, and right down the throat. Getting a little too overconfident, trying to take on the bowler. He has hit that ball.
Mohammad Haris comes to an end.
2 wickets, Salman Ali Agha.
That's in the air. This should be taken. And when you talk about establishing superiority over a bowler, you need to play with the right mindset.
Salman Ali Agha goes for 3.
Rate of 8, new batter Hassan Nawaz. Not in control, maybe in trouble again. Yes, it is. Another one goes. Mustafizur Rahman in his very first over.
By Bangladesh, gone for knots.
In comes Mohammad Nawaz, the left-hander, now 2. Oh, big confusion. Maybe in trouble. Surely they'll go upstairs and have a look. Freeze the replay.
Run out for 3 in Pakistan.
And in comes Khushdil Shah.
At times was able to hit the hole on that occasion. Oh, misunderstanding. He has sold Fakhar Zaman down the river. Khushdil should have sacrificed his wicket.
Not the best of throw, but Litton does really well. Flicked it towards the stump. And the big wicket of Fakhar Zaman after scoring 44 of 34. They are 70.
There is no mug with the bat.
Now, up and under that quite comfortably. That is Mustafizur Rahman for you. That is what I expected because the batters were...
Well for his 18 of 23, 103 for 7.
Going to be bowled by Taskin Ahmed. 1 for 3. Now it's up in the air. Fielder coming and getting to it. Sheikh Mahdi, I think it is taking the catch, judged it to a nicety.
So he's gone after scoring just 5 of 10.
Salman Mirza, the debutant, comes in. What Bangladesh have done is think, well, now there's a chance of a run out. Oh, I think he has just made it. Taskin Ahmed just... Last man in for Pakistan. Up in there. There's a chance of a catch. And it's been taken by the keeper. And this is the first time that Bangladesh have bowled out Pakistan in a T20 international. Exceptional performance by Liton Kumar Das and his merry band of men. 110 all out Pakistan.
Outstanding stuff from Bangladesh with the ball. Even though they missed a couple of chances, but the result has been outstanding. This is a big deal, bowling out a team in T20Is. Well led by Litton. He remained calm in when the going was tough in the first 3 or 4 overs. Taskin ends on a high. Bangladesh pumped up, and Pakistan, well, clearly a few runs short. Bowled out for 19.3 on what is a bit of a tricky surface. This is not a straightforward surface, and Bangladesh will have to bat well sensibly to overall this target.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.